In this video, I will show you how you can add payment methods to your Ecwid store. So you can add payment methods such as Stripe, PayPal, and a bunch more. And here's how you can do it. So from within your Ecwid dashboard, in the left, go and click on Payment right here. Now here you will see everything that's available. So here we have Pay by Cash. You can set up Lightspeed payments, which includes all of this right here. So basically credit, debit card and bank payments. Then here you can set up Stripe, you can set up PayPal, and you have more payment methods that you can set up right here. You can also click Add Manual Payment Method and then enter that here. So there's a bunch of different options to set up. For example, I can click Stripe and then click Connect and Enable. Then here it will take me to Stripe where I can simply go and sign into my Stripe account. So I've now connected my Stripe account, and now right here you can see Stripe is connected. I have a connected account, and now you will see all of this right here is connected. So that's how you can add a payment method on Ecwid. So then it should show up right here. If you want to disable it, just go and click right there, or if you want to remove it or change it, just go and click edit. So now you know how to add a payment method on Ecwid. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.